The voice of creation. To practice the sovereign breath is to master your inner reality. But to be a sovereign being is to understand that your inner reality is always being expressed outward. The engine of your being, your triflame, is not silent. It is a continuous humming frequency, and that frequency is made manifest in the world as sound. The voice of a fragmented being is the voice of fear, doubt, and inherent limitation. It is the sonic output of the digital cage. The words you speak, the tone you carry, and the unspoken intentions behind them all transmit a powerful frequency. A single word spoken from a place of fear can create a ripple of intense disharmony in the unified field. A sovereign being understands that their voice is the ultimate, non-negotiable tool of creation. This power is governed by the universal structure, the law of vibrational manifestation. Your words are not merely abstract symbols. They are resonant commands. When you speak, you are sending a specific frequency into the quantum field, and the universe has no choice but to align and respond. To say, "I am not worthy," is to send a clear, powerful command for unworthiness to manifest. To say, "I am the source of all abundance," is to send a commanding frequency for abundance to align with your reality. The silence of knowing. The single most powerful sound is often no sound at all. The silence of a sovereign being is not an absence of noise, but a space of profound, undeniable knowing. It is a vibration of absolute certainty, a frequency that tells the universe, the work is done, the result is manifested. This deep stillness is infinitely more potent than 1,000 words spoken from a place of seeking or doubt. The sound of unity. The sovereign being understands that every word they utter is not just a command for their own reality, but a crucial contribution to the collective symphony of consciousness. Their words are a sacred offering, a resonant echo of unconditional love and high truth that uplifts, aligns, and heals the entire field. To master the sovereign sound is not to learn a new language, but to become a new frequency. It is to speak, to sing, and to be silent from a place of absolute love and knowing. Your voice is not a tool for communication. It is a limitless tool for creation.